Look at the impact of this. Well, you probably guessed it, looking at those buildings behind me. I'm actually in Marawi city this morning. Weather was okay, different directions, something else to do. I've been based in Iligan for 3 days, and one of those days was rainy, so I couldn't do too much. So just look quickly around Iligan, went up north an hour the other day, up to the Tangil Bridge, and today I'm heading east a bit, an hour east, and up in Marawi city. Just want to ride around a bit the area. Beautiful city, but you saw the traffic, my God. Such a busy little town. I'm going to take a little look around here and go and get some food in town. If I find a little quiet place, the traffic is too much for me there. Let's have a look around. And of course, this is the mosque which has been rebuilt after all the terrible event, but you know, everybody knows about it. But anyway, they rebuilt at least that beautiful mosque there, and the rest is still like it was during the war. It's pretty bad actually, yeah. Looks pretty devastated. Must have been a fierce war, yeah. You can see all the bullets and the holes everywhere. That's the history of Marawi. 7 years ago, I think, something like that. Still beautiful town, beautiful people. Still a place to come and visit. Yeah, it must have been pretty fierce in those days. It's a bit sad then they haven't rebuilt. I guess they can afford it. It's lots of damage. Because I'm sure the people will like to come back. There's a few buildings. People are just rebuilding across the road from here. Wow, look at the impact of this. Here's the pass they have to move on. Marawi Peace Park. Beautiful park here. Doesn't seem to be open. I'm not sure if we can walk around. Maybe it's too early. So there is still a bit of the old with some damaged building and a bit of the future, the new Marawi rebuilding. This is typical to Marawi food. What you call it?
Dodol.
Dodol?
Yes.
Dodol. Which are rice,
Yes.
is it? Yeah. With sugar, bro.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to get some dodol. Speciality of Marawi, Mindanao. So I will take one small one, Mom. And this one is
Ame.
ame.
Yes.
Ame. What is ame? Banana? No.
No, rice. These are rice.
Is the rice too? I'll try a small one.
Small.
Small, only for me. One of those. One of those. Maybe I'll take one. So this is some of the specialty of the area. I'm going to give it a try. Slamy, it's all good? All right. Okay, let me get that, guys. Did you say hello? Hello. Okay, just got my pasalubong. I forgot the name, Dudul. I'm going to try that. Very friendly people. They all want to say hello across the road in here. Very cheap. Hello. Hello. So this is Marawi, just in town, just looking around a little bit. Whew, the traffic is mad around Marawi. I couldn't take it. Just a little bit out of the center. Is so busy, little street, and so many little tricycles, and Too much traffic. Little break, coffee break. I will try my pasalubong a little bit later on when I'm on the road when there is much less traffic. So this is a little excursion out of Iligan, and we're going to finish the vlog right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care. Peace.